Open it. Please open it. Who are you? You are there when I spoke to the city. I'm coming. You are there when I spoke to the city. Well, everybody has right to enter. Okay. Then why are you blocking us? Nobody block anybody. When the boys are fighting, we have to stop them from there. So, okay, but we don't need permission. We don't need permission from anybody. Okay. We don't need permission from anybody. You are our leader. Police commissioner. You are an impartial.
All right. Ellis. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We come into a privacy actually because I know that we're not expecting us to dash into the office like this. But when we got to the gate and we got the wind of it that we're already in the office, in preparation of the DOT meeting and then your next meeting, we said we should come and have this conversation with you.
That's correct.
What exactly is happening today? Because we saw quite a number of security men in and around Wadata.
Well, you know, in our usual operation, anytime we're having any BOT meeting or NEC meeting, we usually invite the security because of these pickpockets around so they don't embarrass our members. So usually we write to all the security agencies for them to give us security to protect the office. That's why you see a number of police here. It's not the first time. It's not unusual.
All right. So yesterday there was a mix of kind of uncertainty whether the BOT stroke NEC meeting will hold, because we also saw. Let me use that word. It's a difficult time for journalists to know the exact words to use. I'll use the word the other group led by Turaki, when they also threatened to also have their own emergency stakeholders meeting today. And so for some of us, we felt it's not going to be easy for PDP members in Wadata today. What do you make of that if the Turaki-led group choose to also come?
Well, first of all, I wrote to all the security agencies on the 14th of November 2025 that we're going to have a BOT at NEC meeting, emergency NEC meeting here. I wrote to INEC as well, which they acknowledged. So, and they have been on the news and had to put on television and newspapers. So, I don't know where that all is coming from. So if they decide, because on what premise is he coming to do, as what? I'm the National Secretary of the party. My office is still running until 8th of December. On the 8th of December. So, ordinarily, I'm doing my function. I have BOT acting chairman who is here. We have members of board of trustees who are here, who have come for their meeting. You can see there's no problem. So if we start our meeting and they become an intruder, when anybody comes here to disrupt our meeting, because we're already here. So I don't see anybody sensible enough to come and disrupt a meeting that's going on. If anybody wants to have a meeting, they can meet anywhere. It's allowed. But we're here.
All right, thank you so much. I wish you
Yes, the last question, sir. Because the meeting again.
To say this not correctly. One, I have not been expelled, and all the names mentioned were never expelled. So on what premise are you expelling us? What platform are you using to expel us? Convention that never heard? And there's every communication to INEC for any congresses, convention, I must sign to that. I never communicated any letter to INEC for any convention. And there was no convention, as a matter of fact. There's no convention anywhere. And I keep asking. It's very, very clear that any convention must be monitored, supervised by INEC. INEC does the accreditation. We're there for accreditation of these things are not done. It was just example, like I said. They know the truth. Somebody somewhere has spent money and wanted the people together. And let me ask you, if you are doing a convention, 2/3 of the states were not there. 2/3 of the states were not there. And even the 17 states, they said they came for that jamboree, were people that were picked by the roadsides and gave PDP uniform to occupy some state podium. That's not like that.